How to send someone money through Bitcoin. I am going to show you how you can send someone money through Bitcoin. The basic way for a user to send BTC is to copy the recipient's address and then paste it into their wallet send file. Or they can scan the recipient's QR code and automatically fill it in. When using Crypto.com DeFi wallet, open the app. Click on Send Payment from the home screen. Choose which cryptocurrency to send and confirm the amount. Enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code. Select one of the 3 default transaction speeds or enter a custom one. Click Send to confirm the transaction. The recipient will not receive the amount selected instead. They will receive the amount minus transaction fees. The Bitcoin network requires transaction fees as an incentive for miners to include transactions in blocks, thereby processing them. Some wallets may charge more than the Bitcoin network requires so they can profit from every transaction, but the Crypto.com DeFi wallet only charges the minimum required by the network. Users see what they will pay in fees when they confirm their transaction speed.